the load. Camera waiting for a host. Click, wait, call of chaos. Elite, punchy, creamy flow, sinking with drum.
Meeting so close, start 10 o'clock sharp. Everybody they join, but the call no they start. I click the link, you say waiting for host. 10 minutes don't pass, we they chat like ghosts.
One person they type hello,
Can you hear? I know that this spam must have beg appear. Screen they freeze, audio they crack small. We they refresh like say it be ritual call. Frustration they rise, but we still they try.
can someone join?
Can someone?
Call of chaos, we dey waste our time. Can someone join? We dey wait and wait, you know the time. Can someone join?
Notification the ping, echo the loud.
Can someone join?
Baby restart.
Yeah. Us, they late to be the same story, guys. But there's two more teams to the acting wise. And today I should have shared my screen, we they shout. No, because nothing they sing.
One colleague they mute, another they on it fast.
That's 1, 2, they blast.
Track they blow up with memes and we laugh. At the actual meeting, still they on behalf. Frustration they rise, but we still they try.
Can someone join?
Can someone?
Call of chaos, they waste our time. Can someone join? We the wait and wait, you know they climb. Can someone join?
Notification they ping, echo they loud.
Can someone join?
Baby restart.
Baby
Restart, 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 restart.
Maybe restart.
Restart, restart,
Baby restart.
restart, restart.
Post don't join.
Finally, can someone join?
Call of chaos don't turn to real talk at last.
Can someone join? But I see start, the light goes still around. Notification they bring, echo they loud.
Can someone join?
Baby restart.
Can someone join?
Baby restart.
Can someone join? Can someone join? Can someone join? Can someone join?
Baby restart.
Fading.
Baby restart.
Notification still the thing. Echo fading. Notification still the thing.